Hello guys, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets. I've got the table. I just ordered the pole bit. That was £70 because you didn't have to drill a hole in the floor. But obviously I want to put the bed together today to have like a big king size bed. I just want to see how it looks and, you know, see if it's comfortable to sleep on. So I had to put some extra support to make sure it don't fall off. So I'm going to cover these with carpet, make it look nice. It's alright because the cushion comes off about the same distance anyway, so you won't see that. So what I'm going to do now, get the table in there. Look at that, perfect. Perfect. There it is with the bed together. Look at that. Solid. I think I've got one of the biggest beds in a camper van, I think. So let me put it together. Just take a look at that. My bed's so big, I doubled it, fit it. So there you go. That bad boy is done. It's gonna be really cold tonight as well. 0.6 in the van. I was gonna start the log burner, but I didn't do it. I will do that in a minute. But there you go guys, so I got my big bed back in the van. Signing out guys, peace.